How to blur a video in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all you have to do is just go to the CapCut application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Then you can see the option of new project. So tap on new project over here and then select the video where you want to blur a video over here. Now as you tap on the video, you can see there's different options over here at the bottom of the screen. Now just select the area or the section where you want to blur the video. So for example, if I want to blur this area from here, then all I have to do is tap on the effect option at the bottom of the screen and then tap on video effects, and then you can directly search for blur option over here on the search bar and then search for it, and you'll get different options on how you would want to blur. So I'm just going to choose a simple blur over here and then tap on cancel and then go back to the video, and let's see if the blur option effect has been adapted. So there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.